What up YouTube, this is your president, the Presidential Tourist, back with another unboxing video. I bought the other day a Weed Wacker because my yard needs it. Be going a bit feral, so I'm going to just do an unboxing video. And I'm probably going to do a demonstration with this too and give a review on how it works. There it is. Let's see if we can deal with. That's even better. What do you think of this for a thumbnail? I'm starting to wonder how long would it take before it starts to get a bit awkward, me staring at you and you staring at me. Okay, that's enough. But this was $129. I originally was going to get another one that was cheaper. Thought about it. But the lady was telling me the battery life in that, maybe I might get a half an hour out of it, maybe an hour, depending, to get this, because the battery was like definitely bigger and would last me a fair amount longer. He said I got a lot of work and I have a decent sized yard. I'm going to need it. It says a CRAFTSMAN. This is V20 lithium ion, brushless, Weed Wacker. 11-inch, 13-inch string trimmer, 279 mm. Oh, okay, that's some of this is in Spanish too. 11-inch to 13-inch adjustable swath, variable 2 speeds, 3-year limited warranty. It includes also the battery and the charger, which is very important. And she says there is some of the line in here for me to use. Like a starting line. I bought the warranty through Lowe's, and I think it's definitely worth it. I bought the 3-year warranty, which was $30. So anything goes wrong with this, fix it, or they have to replace it, they'll do that. And she says anything you need to buy for the upkeep of this, including the line, you put that in through the warranty, and they'll refund me through like an e-gift card half the price. Like they have different kinds of lines and thickness and all. There was one for $25. So if I bought that, they would refund to me 50% of that through an e-gift card. So it's definitely worth having the warranty, I think, because I definitely will be buying line for this a fair amount, I'm sure, over the years. Let's see, any other good stuff. Oh, here I should mention this specifications. Voltage, V20 max. No load RPM. 0 to 5,000. 5,500. Feed system. Cutting swath size. 11 to 13 inch. Line diameter. I think it says 0.08 inch to replacement speed, replacement stool. It says sold separately, but a replacement one. So she said there is one in here. Startup. We will see. Worst comes to worst, I just have to go out and buy one. Oh, up to 75 minutes run time. So definitely a lot longer than the other one. Oh, there's a push button feed for that line, I bet. I think that's what it says, which is different because years ago when I used to use A1, you used to have to like tap it on the ground, it would shoot some more out or something like that. So if there's a button to it, that would make it a lot more simpler. It's up to 82% lighter than gas, which I almost got a gas-powered one. I didn't really trust batteries, but you always hear about them and not being well, at least with me, saying probably get the gas. But then after, do I really want to mess around with gas any more than I have to? So I'll give this a try and we'll see how it goes. Alright, let's open this up. And I'll show you directions on the components and what I have to do to put anything together, which I'm sure there's going to be a little bit. Be careful, I don't want to cut myself. There it is. Nice good tape on here. There we go. Lots of extra cardboard stuff. Here is the handle. Yep, this is the like protective hood thing. So I'll show all this out of the wrap in a minute. You always, that new like appliance smell on these is always such a unique smell. I always love it. Let me see with the cardboard smell. This smells good. I gotta pull the bad boy out. It's everything in there. Okay, this is probably, I think this is the charger. Yes, because the battery's in a little separate box. Yep, this is the charger, which I will show, like I said, I'll show everything outside the box in a second. Yeah. Here's the battery. Directions. That's it for that. And here it is. This part will snap together, which I will do in a minute. I want to first show you everything before I actually start putting it together. Take all this excess wrap off. So basically going to come in half. Obviously to do it because to ship this all together would be a much larger box. Comes in half like this. And then it looks at the way that looks, it just snaps together. I don't think there's actually screw. Here's the bottom part. And then the battery, of course, will go on top. Yeah, there is a line in there. So there is a line inside. See right here. Take that tape off. There is the line. Then look at that charger. I don't know how long it takes to charge these. So I don't know if I'll get to today to do like a demonstration. That's okay. Maybe a day or two for me. It'll be instantaneous for you. Here is the charger. Which is a bit different from the charger from the hedge trimmer I did an unboxing for just a little bit ago. Here's the battery. Let's take this out. How do you get this thing out? So this is, yeah, this is a 5. And the other one I was looking at was a 2. So that's why she said that get this one instead of the other one. And Craftsman's a good brand either way. Just let me look at the directions and show, well, let me show them to you. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, just give you a kind of an idea. Usually you can find all these directions like online too. But here gives you like a diagram, all the components. Basically this says how to put it together, put line in. That's going to be my biggest pain in the butt, is putting the new line in. I never had luck with that before when I used to use a Weed Wacker. I always got a bit frustrated, but we'll do the best we can. We have to, because I got a lot of work to do. And then this gives electrical safety, work safety, power tool use and care. A lot of warning signs, a lot of caution signs in here. different directions and all that stuff. All the usual stuff. Now I'm assuming you can go to CRAFTSMAN and they probably have all these things online if you want to get a better look at it than what I can show you. Alright, I'm going to put this together. I think it's going to be very simple. Well, I could show you some. Let me just make sure that one part snaps in. It's usually when you just snaps in. Okay. Let me get back, put it together, and show you what it looks like. I forgot to show you these other kind of components before I put them on. That's a shield that goes on the bottom. And then here is the handle. And this one just basically is a screw-in like thing. So that's easy. Okay, let me put this thing on. Okay, it's together. Fairly simple. This bottom part here, this snapped in. There's one screw underneath here. That's all for this. And this just snaps on here. And it's adjustable. I have it here now, but I'm going to practice out when I do it, see if that's where I want it. But you can move it higher, lower. You have it slightly curved if you want, off to the side of the handle. It's big enough where, you know, it's definitely adjustable. So yeah, pretty much it. All I have to do is just charge it up and the battery and get going on it. And you'll be seeing some demonstrations and I'll give a review of what I think after I use it. Alright, any comments, questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Now let's get on to the next part. It may be a day or so for me, but it's going to be instantaneous for you. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, this is what I'm working with. I'm not going to probably film when I'm actually doing it because I don't want, because this shoots out stuff. I don't want to hit the lens and damage the lens, so I'm going to show you some before and after. But there is a stone thing right there. You can't see. So I'm going to weed whack some of this and then show you how it goes. Alright. And of course, always have the proper safety equipment. Well, the little bit I did, and I have to practice, it's been a long while. But this done pretty good so far. I think there's a button you're supposed to press and it'll feed out some more line on that. I have to look at the directions to get that a little bit better. But so far, this seems to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. So hopefully I can get my lawn back in shape again. So yeah, it works pretty good. I'll do like a more of a review wrap up in a little bit. But alright, so far, very good. I've done some more and it's doing okay. I think I just need to get used to using it. Sometimes when you press the button that's supposed to make the line come out, it doesn't seem to come out really, or come out as much. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I did look over the direction. It says when you push that button, it'll stop it running and then you can start up again, it'll be fine. But sometimes it doesn't seem to always, I don't know. I just think I need to just practice a little bit more with it. I've been doing it. It's kind of, might be a little bit hard to tell on camera, but it's done a decent job. I think I just need to practice with it and get used to it more. I didn't have luck with weed whackers in the past, so we will see. As you can tell, my lawn definitely needs some more tender, loving care. Kind of put it off. And again, people to take care of the lawns is not an option. Too much money these days for those things. Anyways, I need the exercise. But I'm fairly happy with it. I think I just need to practice more. Alright, I just want to give an ending to this video. I'm fairly happy with the Weed Wacker. I think I just need to get used to it and use it a bit more. Because it's been quite a long time since I had a Weed Wacker. And I never had luck with them with the line part. When I press the button I mentioned earlier for the line, it doesn't seem to come out as much. Now maybe I'm just doing it wrong, or maybe because when you, and I went over the directions, and it says when you press that button when it's running for the line, it stops, and then you can start up again. Maybe the line comes out more when you start it up again. Maybe it loosens. I don't know. But that's my biggest problem. It doesn't seem to come out as much, but it could be that I'm just not doing it right. But I think I just need to work on this more, because it's been a while since I've used this type of equipment. Because either I didn't have as much of a lawn, or I had hired others to take care of it, or whatever. But hiring people, it's just too expensive these days, so I'm trying to do it more myself. Plus, as you can probably tell, I need a bit of the exercise, and just feel good being out there taking care of the lawn, you know? Getting in some good sun, fresh air. So yeah, I'm fairly happy with the Weed Wacker. I think I just need to get used to it, use it a bit more, you know, get to know it, and it gets to know me, so to speak, type of thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It wasn't much to put together. It's not the most expensive Weed Wacker. It's not the cheapest either. But I'm fairly happy with it. Like I said, I think I just need to use it a bit more. But if you have any comments or questions, let me know. I'll put a link below to buy one. And yeah, that's it. Any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. I need to get a drink because it is hot out here. As you can probably tell, I am sweating like a pig. Ugh. Ugh. All right. Bye, everybody. Bye. Yeah.